What up, everybody? It's your boy, man. Welcome to the first episode of the off-road go-kart project, man. Unfortunately, it's a little filthy right now because it's been sitting outside for a while, but let's get that thing cleaned up and talk about the plans with it. I gotta move some cars first, though, so let's get into that. If you guys missed the videos from yesterday, the Mustang cruise and drifting around the parking lot with the Stang, go check them out after this. It's a freaking banger. That was a good time. Miss driving that car. Alright, let's get this thing cleaned up down there. I saved you guys the trouble of freaking watching me get this thing out. It's freaking buried and tucked away all the way back here. Had to move some shit, pull it out. Getting it over the lifts and the curb was not fun, but maybe I'll throw that in the end, putting it away, but let's get this filthy thing cleaned up. Hell yeah, pulled out some soap. We can give this thing a proper wash because it is filthy. Unfortunately, my freaking camera is fucked up. That's unfortunate. Yeah, that really freaking sucks. I don't really have money to get a new one right now, and Bros Before Pros is coming up, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, it's unfortunate because now I'm gonna have to finish this video on my phone, so hopefully it doesn't fuck it up. It's gonna make this a little bit harder, but got it all soaped up, cleaned up nice. Freaking that shit is dirty. This thing was filthy, nasty. When I was cleaning it up, it's not a big deal because I'm gonna do all 4 suspensions on this thing too, but this one was blown. There's grease all over it, but yeah, we got some rust to clean up. Not too bad though, so yeah, this thing's gonna be a fun toy. Just letting it dry off, and then we'll talk about this thing. Well, since my camera broke, I'm gonna have to film it a little differently. Can't really film it how I wanted to or get the shots that I wanted, so here she is, man, all cleaned up. So I picked this up for a couple $100. The guy was selling it for like 400 with an engine, but I told him to keep the engine. He gave it to me for like 200 bucks. So I was like, hell yeah. I figured this would be a fun ass project to build, you know what I mean? Just to fuck around in, play in. And since I'm moving down south, all them desert trails, I think it'd be fun as shit to take this thing out and play in and build something kind of, you know, beastly. So the plan with it right now is, you know, we're gonna replace everything: the wheels, the tires, suspension, pretty much everything. We're gonna beef it up too. That's another reason I bought this, is to be, you know, one of my first welding projects, because I really want to learn how to weld and get into fabricating. So it's kind of like, you know, the first little project for me. But better rims, better tires. We're gonna probably fix up the steering a little bit, do a different custom wheel, better seat. I want to get one of those Tealstone racing engines. We'll throw that on the back. That would be freaking sick. I've seen those on these yard carts and stuff, and they freaking get down. They actually become kind of violent. We're also gonna get a plexiglass windshield to put on there. I'm gonna weld up and beef up the frame a little bit, put a light bar on it, maybe like a rack on the back where we can hold some stuff, bigger tank, figure out some cooling. I don't know, man, this thing's gonna be sick. If we can, I'd like to do all 4 disc brakes, or just like, even if we can't do front brakes, even just like a hydro on the rear would be fucking sweet, like a dual caliper setup or something. But yeah, this is so far, it's just been sitting, unfortunately, but yeah, we're gonna try and make some progress on this thing, get this thing out on the channel, make some dope content, especially since we're moving down south towards the desert. Get this thing out on all that red freaking sand trail and just go ham, bro. I think it'd be fun as shit. I've always wanted a cross cart, but this will do for now. We'll build a cross cart someday. I also want to build a mini bike too, so hopefully I'll be picking one of those up soon too. I want to just fuck around with these little, you know, Tealstone engines and stuff. They're cool. But alright, let's get this thing put back in the way. Good old race ramps, man. Alright, now I just gotta get back up over through there. Jesus. Now that's a sick shot, boys. Oh yeah. What's up? That's a workout. I just gotta freaking fit it back. Almost there. Hell yeah, there we go. I'll put away. Damn, that thing's looking a million times better. Cannot wait to get started working on that. I want to have that and a mini bike just to fuck around and play, and I think they'd be great toys just to, you know, have a great time. All right, I'll put away. Steed. Yeah, buddy. Yep, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Support your boy. Join the YBC team, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys are on KCYBC.
Yeah.